There's a quiet fear that sometimes keeps people moving forward even when something feels off. The fear that turning around means failing, that adjusting course means losing, that staying committed matters more than staying honest. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote offers a healthier perspective on movement, choice, and the freedom to respond differently. You can change direction without admitting defeat. This quote reminds us that direction is not identity. Decisions are made with the information available at the time. As circumstances evolve, awareness evolves. Adjusting your path reflects responsiveness, not weakness. Staying on a path that no longer fits simply to preserve pride often creates more strain than relief. Growth includes reassessment. It includes recognizing when learning points somewhere new. Changing direction is not surrender, it's alignment. Flexibility keeps life dynamic. It allows wisdom to guide action instead of stubbornness. When you release the idea that pivoting equals defeat, you open space for clarity, purpose, and renewed energy. Here's one gentle way to work with this today. If something you're pursuing no longer feels right, pause and ask whether adjustment might serve you better than persistence. Let honesty guide your next step. Carry that openness with you as the day unfolds. You don't lose ground by redirecting. Sometimes progress appears the moment you allow yourself to turn. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Adaptation reflects wisdom, and alignment matters more than pride. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.